Hi, today I'm gonna teach you how to make a feather stick. A feather stick is a stick or branch that you cut a lot of curls in, so they make like a feather or a bloom, and you can get the fire going easy with that. This here is hazel. Hazel often has a lot of dead branches in between. See this? Breaks just off, and you have nice dry tinder, and you don't hurt the tree. So let's go. And today I brought with me my new Night Hunter. Great little knife, both for the outdoors or for everyday carry, if you're allowed to. The most important thing to do is think of the angle. Going too deep, you don't get the nice curls you want. So it should only like touch the tree. First off, here's the bark. We'll get that off. So you see a nice sharp knife. You can, if you want, split the wood so you have like a sharp edge to start off with, but I'll go like this. As I said, mind the angle of the knife and keep it a bit diagonal if you want to. It helps going easier. And you see here, these curls here, that's what you want. If the tree is too rotten, the fibers are broken and you can't get these long curls. I turn the subject around for every time, so you don't end up making a big flat surface and you'll get no feathers there. And don't mind if some of them fall off, they'll do, and eventually you'll come so far down into the wood that it's not a problem anymore. Try to make the distance here as long as possible. The longer you'll make it, the longer your curls will get. But if you go too deep, you'll get like these, and you don't want those. See here, the knife just barely touches the surface. The finer the shavings is, the easier they're gonna light up when you use a lighter or ferro rod. I'll see if I can light this with a ferro rod today. Just keep going nice and steady. You see I went too deep there, but keep going nice and steady. No rushing it or anything. Take your time. The more time you give it, the better it's gonna be, the easier it's gonna light up, and the more the flames are gonna burst in. Here, nice and small curls. And the longer you keep going, the bigger the flower is gonna be. And all of those you dropped off, you can just put in afterwards. They'll still burn. I'm just trimming it a bit in here at the bottom, so it keeps going inside. If it goes out there, the curls are gonna break off. See, now they are stuck again. So it takes a bit of patience, but you'll be rewarded for the effort. And the more you learn it, the faster you're gonna go. You want a long piece with no branches or anything on it, so you can get long, nice fibers. Just gonna pick up all of these as well. They can help the fire get going also. And now let's see if it catches fire. I have here just a simple fire steel, a ferro rod. It produces a small spark. And if the curls are small enough, they should be able to catch fire. But let's see. See, this burns really well, and if you make like a big bloom of these, they'll really help the fire going. So yeah, that's a feather stick for you. You can also use spruce, or spruce is softer wood than hazel and other hardwoods, and they're easier to ignite because of the resin it's filled with. So this you can do on most wood types, but find it dry, otherwise it won't it won't get going. So yeah, just gonna cut that out so I don't start any fires here. But get yourself a nice knife and find some pieces of wood and go out there and practice. It's really fun and a great way to know how the fibers in wood are and how you follow them. So yeah, if you like it, subscribe and follow PUMA's Instagram page, and I'll see you for the next one. Have a nice day.